What's up, everybody? This is j.dioramas. Ooh, what a rush. Check it out. This is the second part of the video of the unboxing of the XL-15 from Busslightyear. So we can get that in there. There it is, the box open. What I don't like about this is, the reason why I had to shoot the second video because of this. They really serious about this plastic. They give you the cover box, whatever. Normally you get tape sealed to the box. So like if I was to ever try to resell this, the box is ruined, so the price is going to be low. What I don't like is the fact that it's glued together. Look at this. It's a mess. Can you guys see that? Look at this package. It's a complete mess. You can't resell this like that. Like, it's embarrassing. I don't like this at all, y'all. I should be doing a live right now. Didn't have time to set it up. I apologize about that, but I will be going live very soon. I know I've been saying that for about a year now, but I will be doing some lives. I haven't got around to it yet, to be sitting and chatting for a couple of hours on end, which I would love to do, and I will be doing that. That's what I'm going to be doing. Shout out to Rocco the Great. He told everyone go live even when you don't even have anybody to talk to. That's the start. So he said that like last year sometime, and I take that as a thumbs up. I'm taking that in. And shout out to all the content creators with their toy collections and everybody who does what they do, being creative. Everyone, everybody, all genres, everything. But with that being said, let's try to get this unboxing here. I didn't really do unboxings. I want to do one today. Let's get it going. Gotta get this razor blade toolbox. Uh-oh. I knocked over some toys. Hope you guys can all hear me. Just knocked over a couple of action figures in the diorama. Get into the toolbox. Fix it up later. Alright. Trusty old razor blade. The rust, that's not rust, it's paint. I accidentally cut into a wet diorama one time. Thought it was dry, it wasn't fully dry. So it's not rust, that's brown paint. More of a rust color. Umber, that's the name of the color, umber. Burnt umber, that's the name of the color. So I'm going to be cutting the rubber bands off this thing right here. Stand it up so you guys can see. I got this snow speeder on the table for the 6-inch figures. I got to put that somewhere. Still haven't found a place for it yet. Man, I almost live here. I'm always at my other house. In the evening, I'm here. Sometimes I spend the night here. Maybe I wake up and I know where I'm at sometimes. Other than that, it's all good. At least I got 2 places to go. Like, if I lose one, I got another. It's the second home, which is the studio. Alright, I'm going to cut the jet out first. Space jet. Let's get it going. Can you guys see? Alright. Doing the best I can, y'all. Alright, got that rubber band off. Is there any more to take off? One more. Over the cockpit. Whoa, exploded on me. Look at that. That interior. Early look at the interior. Just fold that all back up. This is locked down. It's my first time messing with this. As you can see, I'm having trouble. Guess it doesn't want to stay. Is there a locking mechanism to this thing? Alright. I'm going to remove these tabs. I've never done an unboxing. This is why I don't do unboxings, because of things like this. These little twisty tabs on here. What's that for? Oh, okay. See that cap? I'm going to save that for some Ribley's. I forgot the guy's name who came up with that word. I like it though. Basically, parts you can use for other small dioramas that you build, like parts and pieces. Alright. I heard it fall. So, there we go. What's all released here? Gotta be careful on this table. Something dropped. What could that be? Oh, just another grizzly. Whatever they call them. It's a small part you can use for future dioramas. I'm still trying to comprehend on how this locks in. I think you gotta put it all the way together for it to lock in. But anyway, that's the ship out right there. The cockpit keeps flying up. I don't know why I can't talk. Let's get all this stuff out. You see Buzz Lightyear still sitting in there. Guys, I know my unboxing probably sucks in videos. I really don't do these. Alright. Let's get this out the way. Got that wing right there. Gotta cut that rubber band. Oh, that was almost close to the face. I like this backdrop, by the way. Like, you can use that for a diorama, which I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, definitely. It's got that outer space looking flight, like the Millennium Falcon going in hyperdrive. That's the inside of the box. I love it. Like I said, I don't even do unboxing videos really because it takes too long. I'm just doing this for the first time. See how it goes. I'm already in 8 minutes. Hope you guys ain't getting bored with me. Let me remove this box to the side for a second. Here we are. I'm snapping on the left wing. How does this go in? I'm doing this without instructions. Gotta look at the panels. Oh, there we go. It's not staying in. Guys, I'm sorry, but I gotta really like end this video early. Even though it took forever. This wing would not sit in. I gotta get it put together. Once I get it together, I'll show you guys on another video, I promise. This is j.dioramas. Like, share, subscribe. This channel is for adults only. I'll be back. Peace for now.